There's a little squid. There's Pam on the Yalis swing. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to day 3 in Finland. So we've just had our breakfast, as I said. We're just getting ready now. We're going to head out into this beautiful day and explore more of Rovaniemi. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful morning. So let's finish getting ready. Got our packed lunch packed and we're ready to go. Let's do it. Oh, what a morning. So this is right outside of the apartment. Head down to the car. Ooh, look at this. What a place. Right, we've just filled up 710 kilometers in the tank again. Now this is our updated route. We're just back at the K City Mart fuel, Nest fuel. We'll drive up, we'll stop at anything cool and show you on the way. Let's go. Right, we're about halfway into the drive now and I'm just going to stop. That's not my battery there. I'm just going to stop and have a quick stretch of the legs, and this is where we are. Oh, I'll tell you what though, that can, if it's empty, that's money there. Right, just wanted to show you, I've just had a pineapple express. Look at it. You know it's an energy drink because the parrot is riding a skateboard, but this is a Finnish energy drink. It was nice, but this is where we are right now. Pretty beautiful place to start. We're about 15 minutes away now and this is our view of just arriving in Kittila. So there's the big mountain and we've got a little bit further to go. This is Kittila airport on the left here and just the forest on the right, so not too far to go now, but we'll show you when we check in. Right, we've arrived. Look at it. So we are Anki over here. Let's walk in together. Little husky out there. Tell you what, it's a lot colder up here than Rovaniemi. So this is us, this little hut. Here we are.
It's tiny.
Here
what
we
do you
go.
think?
Right, we're inside. What we've got in here, bathroom, shower, oh Christ, bathroom, shower, toilet. Oh, it's cozy in here, mind. I tell you, it's very, very warm. So, it's set at 19 degrees. Oh, that wood smell. We've got a log fire. Got a little log burner there.
Look, there's so many matches.
Little log burner, microwave, little stove, coffee machine, kettle, toaster, kitchen roll,
Microwavey.
some cupboard, but I don't know whose coats are fitting in that.
Does it look? Is it full size though? No?
Boiler cupboard. Out.
You looking in the bathroom?
Right, so we're here for 2 nights and then
Oh, it's cute.
look at the bed. Let me sit on this bed. Oh my god. That is a cozy bed. Oh, that is luxury. And this will be our view. Right, we're just about to go out. Go to the snow hotel. We'll see what it's like. I came out and gritted the path because it was a little treacherous, so they've got the grit there, and then I've came out, did this. Oh yeah, that's so much better already. Much better. I don't know if anyone's in this other place here, but let's head up to the snow hotel. It is pretty cold up here, mind, compared to what Rovaniemi was. Make sure we're wrapped up warm. Whew. Beautiful little place though, and over there is the hot tub and sauna, but I think you have to pay additional for those. Right, let's head off. Right, we've just pulled up. We're a couple of minutes away from the Yalis swing. Hopefully you can hear me all right. But we've just pulled up at this Kmart because they've got a giant reindeer. Look at the size of this bad boy. So it should be down this way to the swing. How amazing is that reindeer, by the way? The temperature is a lot colder here than Rovaniemi, mind. It is so much colder. So this is all you see in Finland, just new builds going up everywhere. So there's Pam on the Yalis swing. Look. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Look at this place. So this is Yalis Lake. It's all frozen over, but can you imagine how stunning that place there is going to be? To wake up upstairs in that bedroom if you can see through the glass. Look at that with the hot tub on the deck. Oh, that's got the hot tub as well. But imagine looking out over there when all this is not iced. They've got a Northern Lights cam there, so when you look at the Yalis cam, it'll be here and it'll show you the lights, but you can just go on there instead of being this dude and freezing outside. You can scan this QR code and look at them from the warmth of maybe here. Why would you pay if you're in there though? You can look out your window. We've just stopped at this little parking stop here just to have a look down at this view, and we're kind of right up in the mountain now. The Yalis hotel is just behind us there. Look at this though. The picnic benches are a bit snowed in, mind. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Right, we've arrived at the snow village. I'm going to switch over to the DJI camera now so you can see inside a little bit better. This is the Ice Palace in Kittila. We're about half an hour, 40 minutes from where we're staying. About half an hour, 40 minutes. We're going to have a little look around. The theme this year is underwater, so we'll see what's inside. Who knows? Come join us. Right, we're inside. We've got our tickets. They were 25 euros each for the tickets, but the good thing is there is absolutely nobody else in right now. And the theme is underwater.
And it's melting, it's dripping.
Is it?
Yeah.
So there's a big sea snail there. It's a frog. Oh, there is a guy. There's a guy. Little cinema. Look.
So cool, isn't it?
Look at it.
Look, you can see where the bums have been.
Bums on
over
seats.
time.
Melty bums. There's a little squid. Oh wow, underwater. Look at that. It's a giant anchor.
Do not touch the art.
Look at the detail.
The big belugas.
Look at this. Oh, it's making the noise. We're coming through like, is this a whale's rib cage maybe? Look at this. Look, Nemo. The detail on that is crazy, man. Wow. Look at these ice sculptures. An eel. Seahorse. That. A frog. Fish. And a lobster. Wow. This is one of the rooms. Look at it. I tell you what, I think this is better than the Game of Thrones one. Please do not sit on the bed. So, you can stay here, but it's a fortune. I think it's about £400, £500 a night. But these are the rooms. These are like the rooms you stay in. It is.
I have no idea why
go
anyone
around
would
here.
want to sleep in this though. Like surely this would just be the coldest thing ever. You
And
wouldn't
then
sleep
they've
in
got, some of them have got shared bathrooms, some of them have got private bathrooms. Obviously it's more expensive for the private bathrooms, but it's meant to be quite warm because you get, I think it's some like pelts or something, reindeer pelts I think you get. But look at the detail, man. I mean, personally I wouldn't want to stay here because that's like another 5 holidays or something for one night. How cute the restaurant part is. Fire. Wow. Here's some of the snacks. And then when we were here last time we got some soups. This is the ice restaurant here. Wow. There's just people coming in all over. And I think last time we came, we learned that has all of the ice in for next year when they're going to build again. I could easily give this little sticker to someone now and save them €25, but I'm not going to do that. Unless, should we give our stickers to someone?
They'll have already paid because they're in tour.
But that was the ice hotel.
I don't think it's worth it, me.
I was talking to the woman. I said, "Is there less rooms?" She said, "Yeah, there's only one on show this time." I said before there was like 6 or 7 different rooms because we had like different Game of Thrones characters in. But she said that room took 35 hours of carving.
The bedroom with the pearl and the clam.
35 hours one person spent carving that room. So that was the Snow Village Ice Hotel. This is one of the originals. I think the first one was in Sweden, way up north.
Way up north.
Let's put this away and get in the car. Solo on a kids ride. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of a bit scary, no?